If you're looking for a basic packing list for your stay at an all-inclusive resort, this is not the video for you. The following list comprises 20 non-obvious items to pack for an all-inclusive. The last 4 are only thought of by travel veterans and will elevate your vacation to a new level of comfort. We've added links to every item on this list in the description, or you can scan the QR code on the screen to find them on Amazon. Number 1. A small power strip. Some hotel rooms don't have enough outlets and it can be challenging to charge your devices. A small power strip with 3 outlets will guarantee enough space to charge 2 phones and an extra device, such as a camera or laptop. Number 2. A nightlight. Turning hotel rooms on and off can sometimes feel like a puzzle. Finding the right switch for a specific light can take a few tries. Sometimes it even takes a combination of switches to turn them on and off. More than once, one of us gets up at night to use the bathroom and, while trying to turn on the bathroom light, turns on a different light, waking the other. That's when a nightlight comes in handy. Plug it in the bathroom to make the nighttime bathroom trips easier. You can even get motion-activated ones and plug them in the way to the bathroom to illuminate the way. Number 3. An HDMI cable. Most hotels have modern TVs with HDMI ports. Pack an HDMI cable and you can connect your laptop to the TV to watch your favorite streaming shows. This setup only works if your hotel has good in-room Wi-Fi, you have a hotspot, or you download shows to your laptop before your trip. If you're traveling with kids, watching their favorite shows will give them a sense of familiarity away from home. Number 4. Travel medical insurance. We have been to 28 all-inclusive resorts and all of them have had a clinic or a medical office. However, don't think of the hotel's clinic as a peace of mind service for guests. Instead, it is another revenue stream for the hotel, which they take full advantage of. A simple visit to the doctor's office can cost hundreds of dollars, and if the issue is major, they will always refer you off-site to a hospital where costs will rise quickly. Don't skimp on your travel insurance either. Choose a reputable provider and a good enough plan for peace of mind. A pro tip is to check if one of your credit cards offers travel insurance. Some credit cards automatically cover emergencies if you buy your plane tickets with them. Please remember that you could even be refused service in some countries until you provide proof of insurance or make a hefty down payment. Number 5. A first aid kit. If something merits going to the doctor's office, by all means go. However, if it's something you can solve yourself, it's best to do so to avoid the extra cost. Common ailments in all-inclusive hotels include sunburns, traveler's diarrhea, mosquito bites, indigestion, heartburn, minor cuts, blisters, allergic reactions, headaches, hangovers, and nausea. Go prepared with a comprehensive first aid kit and be the hero of your party. Before packing for your trip, you must find the best hotel for your vacation style. That's where Planning.com, the sponsor of today's video, comes in. Planning is a travel booking site with an exciting approach. They work with travel experts and creators like ourselves to recommend our favorite hotels, stays, and experiences on their platform. We'll update our profile whenever we stay in a new resort if it's worth a visit, so you'll always have our latest recommendations when you sign up for Planning and access our profile. Discover our top hotels and save up to 40% off 2 million plus hotels worldwide. Plus, discover new experiences, excursions, and activities when you sign up for free on Planning. Sign up using the link in the description or scanning the QR code on the screen. Number 6. Sandals for showering. Bring an extra pair of sandals to wear in the shower. It might sound paranoid, but we wear sandals in all hotel showers to prevent fungal nail infections and athlete's foot. Fungus thrives in moist environments like shower floors, and it's tricky to eliminate. Podiatrists recommend wearing sandals in the shower regardless of the hotel's price, as even fancy hotels can be contaminated. Other places where sandals are recommended are pool showers, saunas, and Turkish baths. Your room's carpeted floor is another hot zone, so avoid walking barefoot. Number 7. A tote bag. When you stay in an all-inclusive resort, you spend very little time in your room. You go out in the morning and return in the evening with the occasional nap or bathroom break in between. A good tote bag allows you to pack the essentials for a day at the resort. It should be big enough to fit towels, sunscreen, cell phones, tipping money, a book, etc. Some hotels are huge, and retrieving things from your room can feel like a chore because of the long distance you'll need to walk to get there and back. We recommend a tote bag with different compartments for easier organizing. Number 8. Ziploc bags. This is the cheapest item on this list, but it can protect the most expensive items you own. Keeping small electronics like cell phones, cameras, iPads, or e-readers in Ziploc bags inside your tote bag will protect them from water and sand. Number 9. A power bank. This is one of those items you should keep inside your tote bag in a Ziploc bag. It will give you battery independence throughout the day, and you won't have to ask hotel staff members to plug your phone for charging. We like this one, which has multiple port types, a screen that displays the battery percentage, and a fast charging feature. Remember, you can find all items in this video on our Amazon store using the QR code on the screen or the link in the description. Number 10. Lip balm with sunscreen. We promised this list would be of non-obvious items only, and this one falls squarely into that category. Everybody packs sunscreen, but almost no one remembers that their lips can get sunburned. Sunburned lips can be extremely painful and will almost certainly ruin the rest of your vacation, as you won't enjoy eating or drinking anything else. This item is cheap and small, so there's no excuse for leaving it behind. Number 11. Aloe vera gel. After sun exposure, aloe vera can help you restore skin hydration. Its pleasant cooling effect will soothe your skin. It also maintains skin moisture and helps prevent flaking. It must be paired with proper sunscreen usage during the day. A pro tip is to put your aloe gel in the room's mini fridge to keep it cool. Putting it on after a day in the sun will feel extra nice. Number 12. A waterproof phone pouch. A phone bag is one of the items we use the most in a resort. You're going in and out of the water all day, be it the pool or the beach, and one of these bags will go a long way in protecting your phone. A pouch is a good idea even if your phone is rated as waterproof, as factory seals wear down naturally until your phone is no longer water resistant. For a few bucks, you'll be protecting a phone worth hundreds of dollars. Unlucky 13. A candle. This is a weird one, but it is super helpful. Let me explain. Some hotel room bathrooms are not completely shut off from the rest of the room. This means that when someone uses the toilet, they don't have complete privacy, and some smells that should have stayed confined spilled into the rest of the room. Light a candle to eliminate any lingering smells. The candle doesn't have to be scented, but if it is, it will also leave your room smelling fresh. Since you can't travel with matches or lighters on a plane, you'll need to buy one at the hotel stores. Number 14. Towel clips. These can come handy for use in the pool or beach areas, or they even make handsome earrings. Lounge chairs can be hard to come by in some hotels. Use these clips to clip your towel onto a lounge chair to let others know it is being used, even if you step away for a moment. They will also prevent your towel from flying away with the wind and keep it in place for easier drying. Number 15. A tumbler and a small bottle of dish soap. Resort veterans always pack a tumbler. If you bring a tumbler to any bar, they will gladly pour your drink into it instead of a regular glass. Since the tumbler likely holds more liquid, you'll need to make fewer trips to the bar. The drink will stay cold longer, and the ice won't make your drink watery. Some travelers also bring a reusable straw and swear by it. The extra bottle of dish soap will allow you to clean your tumbler at the end of the day and start fresh the next day. Number 16. Waterproof bag for wet clothes. You will only use this item once and on your last day, but it's worth it. When packing your bags to return home, you'll need a waterproof bag to pack your wet swimsuits. Doing this will prevent the rest of your clothes from getting wet. You could use a regular plastic bag, but we've found this to be more effective in keeping moisture in. Only the most seasoned veterans pack the following 4 items, but they make such a big difference in comfort and peace of mind that we think everyone should. Number 17. A security bag. Hotel room safes have a way to open them so the staff can access them if you forget the code or the electronics fail. When a safe has a way for someone other than you to get in it, your valuables are never 100% secure. This is why we always travel with this fully lockable safety bag made with cut-resistant materials to protect our valuables. We anchor the bag's cut-resistant strap to a fixed object in the room to protect our most valuable belongings. We pack this 12-liter one for traveling with a laptop or this 5-liter one for protecting smaller items. Number 18. A portable lockbox. We recommend a portable lockbox to protect your belongings outside the room. Have you ever been swimming in the pool or at the beach and felt the need to check your belongings constantly? With a portable lockbox, your valuables will be safer and you can relax. We love this one for its size. You can easily store small electronics and money. It is plastic, so it protects your items from light rain. And the locking mechanism is easy to attach to lounge chairs or umbrellas. Please remember that this lockbox is not to be left entirely unattended. Use it for peace of mind while you're nearby. Number 19. Moisture absorber bags. This is another weird but useful one. Some hotel rooms are damp, which makes them uncomfortable. Rooms can become damp if they haven't been used in a while, especially during a rainy period, or when the AC is shut off and the windows are opened. A couple of well-placed moisture absorber bags will make your stay more comfortable. We haven't used the following item ourselves because we only noticed it on our last resort stay, but it is so clever that it will be on our bag from this day on. Number 20. A travel clothesline. Hanging clothes and towels over balcony rails is not allowed in most, if not all, hotels. This leaves you with few options for hanging your wet items for drying, like the balcony furniture, which renders the balcony unusable, and even furniture inside the room, which will not allow your bathing suits and towels to dry completely. That's when the travel clothesline comes into play. While you can't hang your wet clothes over the rail, you may hang them on the clothesline on the balcony. The trick is to find where to hang both ends of the clothesline and you're good to go. Watch this video next to learn how to avoid the 15 biggest mistakes people make in all-inclusive resorts.